Closely held corporations often seek to restrict ownership and transfer of their stock. Under a buyback agreement, a stockholder agrees to sell and the corporation agrees to buy back their stock upon the occurrence of certain contingencies, such as termination of employment. In Gallagher versus Lambert, a court considered whether to enforce one such buyback agreement. Gallagher was an at-will employee, officer, and director of Eastdil Realty, a close corporation. Lambert was the founder and CEO of Eastdil. In the summer of 1981, Eastdil offered its executive employees an opportunity to purchase stock. The purchase was subject to a mandatory buyback provision, which stated that upon resignation or other termination of employment before January 31, 1985, the employee would be required to sell their stock back at book value. After that date, the buyback price would be keyed to Eastdil's earnings. Gallagher agreed to these terms and purchased an 8.5% interest in Eastdil. On January 10, 1985, Eastdil fired Gallagher. Gallagher demanded that his shares be repurchased based on Eastdil's earnings. Eastdil refused. The book value of Gallagher's holdings was $89,000, while the keyed valuation would have been around $3 million. Gallagher sued Eastdil, alleging a breach of fiduciary duty for firing him without a proper corporate purpose. Eastdil moved for summary judgment. The trial court denied the motion, holding that issues of fact were raised related to Eastdil's motivation for firing Gallagher. The appellate court reversed. Gallagher appealed.